one of the most inexpensive crossovers on the market, which ensures record sales. Assembly. At the Hyundai plant in St. Petersburg, many components and assemblies are common with other Hyundai/Kia models. The 2020 restyling only slightly changed the appearance and brought versions with a two-tone body. Aspirated 1.6, 121 or 123 horsepower, and 2.0, 149 horsepower, are noisy, but generally trouble-free, except for the possibility of scuffing in the cylinder piston group. The risk of bullying is greatly exaggerated by rumors on the internet, but it exists. In the 1.6 engine, they are mostly associated with the absorption of wear products of the converter, and this is not so much a badass as scratches. At 2.0, with overheating, the problem was solved by the spring of 2017 by installing nozzles to cool the pistons. This helped only partially, just the bullies began to appear less often or later. In many cases, this is due to the negligent attitude of the owners and savings on oil changes. With good maintenance, both engines live up to 400,000 kilometers, taxi drivers will confirm. Like most modern engines, soot accumulates with age and oil burn begins, especially in 1.6, where consumption can reach 2 liters per 1,000 kilometers. It is better to proactively change the rings, and at the same time the valves, without waiting for them to burn out. Officials consider the progressive knock of hydraulic lifters on the 2.0 engine to be the norm. A short warm-up before driving makes life easier for all engine components, including this one. Timing chains can withstand 150,000 kilometers. The mechanical 6-speed M6 CF1 runs 200,000 kilometers, then natural wear gradually affects. After 50,000 kilometers, leaks of the drive seals and the input shaft may appear. On early cars, the clutch basket quickly failed. The A6 GF1 machine will last over 250,000 kilometers. If you change the oil more often than the regulations prescribe, we recommend every 30 to 50,000 kilometers. However, by 150,000, all gaskets and friction linings of the torque converter will still need to be replaced. Like other automatic machines, it does not tolerate sharp accelerations and long slips. Besides, the differential splines suffer. The rear wheels are driven by a magna clutch. She is not friendly with water and may refuse a month after overcoming the Ford. The all-wheel drive of the Creta, combined with the small suspension travel, is generally not suitable for off-road exploits. The splines of the intermediate shaft, the universal joint bearing, anthers, and seals quickly give up. With careful driving in urban modes, the chassis usually does not require intervention up to 100,000 kilometers. A not very resistant steering rack will quickly respond to broken roads. It will knock to 30 to 50,000 kilometers. The back door not only quickly rusts, it's locked constantly and incorrigibly strums. It is useless to contact the repair. The easiest way is to wrap the bracket with electrical tape. There are complaints about the regular light. Wipers leave a large uncleaned area on the windshield. Nothing can be done about this, except for collective farm decisions with rearranging or bending the leash.